What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Really good example. Nice American racing wheels on it. Nice silverish paint. Kind of has a little champagne hint to it. You got some custom exhaust tips there. The thing runs and drives great. 5.7 LS1 in this car, of course. The engine that started all the LS's. The interior is in pretty decent shape, really good. One flaw right there on the seat, and then one right there. Inside, really clean. Let you guys hear that LS1. Sounds great. Bose audio, of course. Really nice example of one of these cars. And it drives great. It's got around 116,000 miles on it. The engine bay is really clean. Whoever owned this car took really good care of it. Let's go ahead and close the hood. Really nice. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have around 250 classic cars. You could check them out at mgmclassiccars.com or call us at 847-848-1850 if you are interested in one of them. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. We offer special financing for our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We get new cars in almost every day, so keep checking the website and keep checking the YouTube channel. We get everything you can imagine when it comes to classic cars. You're not going to want to miss a thing. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. I hope everyone has a great day, and I want you to remember, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.